Instead of just having a regular coop that's just kind of a slope shaped, Christina and I kind of worked out an idea of working toward a western town look. So what Guinea will not shut up. So this area here is 2 foot, and there's 6 foot panels. I can get 3 of them, 2 foot at a time. And I put the bad area down here because I'm going to put another strip of wood here. Don't really care, but she asked me about this one. How come this one was shorter? Because the board was cut off. But I'm going to put a 3.5 inch piece of wood across here, which again I'll cut it from the scrap wood. Now this is 2 foot, and this is 3 foot, so it's a foot higher. You get, out of a 6 foot panel, you get 2 footers, not 3 2-footers, 2 3-footers. So we got all that 3 foot, and we fastened it with screws to there. After I popped the line, I just ran with that line where I'm going to lap. And we're going to next put all the trim around it on the top, and then we'll take the excess from that when we cut it down. These are 5.5 inches. I'll cut it down to 3, and I'll end up with an 1.5 inch strip, and then we'll end up doing something like this. We'll paint it, and you'll get to see that too. So you can do it if you choose to do it. See ya. Also, whenever these panels go together, there's usually one missing, or there's a gap in between. So I took one of the panels totally apart, pulled all the nails out, and have these panels left over, and then I put them in the areas that they need filled in. So now there's no animals getting in and no animals getting out. Particularly animals getting in, because everybody likes chicken. Dogs, cats, possums, coons,
foxes,
hawks.
eagles.
Yeah, everybody likes chickens. So at this point we have 2 guineas in here because they were kind of roughing up the little baby chickens, and we're going to eventually have their own little place somewhere else. But this was just a place temporary for them. And we're going to show you the next step as we go along. So now we're going to put the trim around it. We built the basic structure with 2 foot panels and 3 foot panels.
From those.